Design is how we articulate and visualize different possibilities for our future. Design can address mitigation, adaptation, and transition in response to climate change. All three require that we need to design with ecological literacy. We have designed illiterately for too long. So my message today is simple. Let's plant trees, lots of them. Trees play a central role in designing with ecology. Trees are good. They absorb carbon dioxide, they store carbon, they release oxygen. There is an urgent need to maintain and replenish the tree canopy cover to avoid the devastating effects of climate change. Tree restoration is among the most effective strategies for climate change mitigation. Trees alone can do much to mitigate climate change, especially in temperate regions. Trees help reduce stormwater runoff, improve water and air quality, and absorb atmospheric carbon. Through absorbing carbon, trees lower greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. Shade from trees cool areas, making them more pleasant and minimizing urban heat islands. In addition, tree shading can help lower energy use in buildings. To take advantage of shade, vegetation needs to be planted strategically and artfully. Trees are especially effective when designed to cast shadows on air conditioners, windows, and our walls. Designing with ecological knowledge, including trees strategically and wisely, can help mitigate the effects of climate change as well as adapt to those fluctuations. More ambitiously, if we can apply an understanding of ecology to all our designs and plans, we can transition to a future free from the deleterious consequences of climate change. So, plant some trees, save some trees. Thank you.